Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use well-found company profiles. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, let me show you where you can actually find the company profiles itself. Click on discover and scroll all the way down until you find companies right over here. You can also discover your industries. So for example, if you want some consumer industry based companies, as you can see, there's Knock. I can click on it, and now this is the company profile. Now in this tab, what you can do is you can follow them. If they post anything, you can go to people and check who their teammates are, and you can simply go ahead and add them on any other platforms as well. As you can see, their whole teams are going to be listed right here. Their cultures and benefits are going to be listed. Their fundings are going to be listed, as you can see, and their jobs are also going to be listed right here where you can apply. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next